It's my twins' 8th birthday, and what's harder than hosting one birthday party, you may ask? Hosting two, back to back, that's right. Today, I'm showing you exactly how I pulled off 2 parties in one day, from setup to cleanup, all right here at home. Each of my twins invited their entire class, which meant 2 separate parties, 2 sets of snacks, and double the energy. So I had to plan everything down to the minute, the food, the decor, and the setup. To make it all run smoothly, I definitely did a lot of prepping the night before. Let me show you exactly how I prepped for both parties without losing my mind. Let's roll up our sleeves and let's get prepping. For my daughter's party, one of my favorite ideas and something the kids absolutely loved was a cupcake decorating kit. So each girl had her own cupcake with 2 types of icing. I did the vanilla and the chocolate one that's already pre-made. I also included some fun sprinkles to top them off. I kept it super simple, and I just used the Duncan Hine cake mix as well for the cupcakes, and I baked them the night before, so it was a lot easier to put them all together the morning of. Doing it ahead of time just made everything go nice and smooth and stress-free in the morning. Before we went to sleep that night, my husband got started on decorating the room while I prepped the table. The party city in our area was going out of business, I guess, so we found these tiaras with like pom-poms and little sparkly stuff as an activity for the girls to do. So each girl was gonna get this, some crayons, and we also got a bunch of add-ons, like silver gemstones and glitter sequences. So I'm going to take all of these out and place them into like small little bowls and place them all around the table with a lot of crayons and markers so that they have a nice time doing it. We also got these glues. I have to take more out from my basement so that everyone has a chance to glue it all together. The next morning, Aviva couldn't wait to help. We got started on portioning out all the pom-poms, the sparkles, and glitter. All I'm thinking about is all of this glitter on the floor. I'm just thinking about the cleanup. Now, Aviva, now what you can do, oh, we're missing a chair, right? Okay. So now you could give each chair, where everyone's sitting, a thing like this, okay? You can give each chair this. Take out all of your markers and crayons from downstairs, put it like all over the table.
Some don't work.
It's okay, whatever don't work. Okay, so here, you're gonna first put the chair here, then go get your markers and crayons from downstairs. We have a little hot cocoa station. So cute. These little Nestle hot cup spoons and some, of course, marshmallows for the girls. So nice. And of course, what's a birthday party without lots of snacks? Lots and lots of snacks and treats. cupcakes are here. The icing is here. And once everyone's done with the first project with the tiaras, they're gonna decorate these cupcakes. They have some extra sprinkles. It was a very cold February when we had this birthday party, so we figured we can't really do much outside. So we took this bounce house, blew it up in our living room upstairs, and the girls had loads of fun. We just did Aviva's hair. It's just a twist, basically. Take 2 strands of hair and you keep twisting them. And this the other side. Beautiful! The table was all set and ready to go. All of the snacks and the cupcakes and the activities. I also on the side put the party favors so that I wouldn't forget to give them. There have been times when we had parties and I totally forgot about the party favors. So they were right there, ready to go. While the girls were having fun decorating their crowns, I got started on portioning out all of the cupcakes and the icings and sprinkles so that it was ready to go for their next activity. I have to give a huge shout out to my daughter Miriam and her friend Elishava. They were such a huge help during this party. The girls all did such a good job with their crowns. Everyone decorated it in their own unique way and it was so pretty. Now it was on to the hot chocolates.
Take a cocoa bag. Girls, I am loving the creativity. Oh. You could open it and put it on. Girls, it's so pretty. I love it. Look how pretty. You don't need to smear it. It's the prettiness is the mess. I love yours. I love it.
I'm making mine hard. I'm gonna write in the. I'm gonna write with sprinkles everywhere.
Oh my gosh. What's your name? I love it. It looks like an ice cream cone. I love it. I love it.
Can you eat the frosting after you?
Yes, go for it.
Even me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have a lot of sugar in my tummy.
I just don't want your mommies to complain that you have belly.
Happy birthday, Aviva!
The girls then had their pizzas, and looking back at it now, I'm thinking maybe we should have decorated the cupcakes after the pizza, which would have been like a dessert, but we didn't do that. Oh well. I got the cake all ready to go while the girls were playing upstairs on the bounce house. After that, they all came down and we served up the cake.
Did we have a good time?
Clean up after party number 1. Oh boy. Messes galore. But it was so much fun.
Now that Aviva's party is over, we're moving on to getting everything ready for Mishael. He really wanted to have a fire pit and roast some marshmallows. So I'm going to be putting 2 marshmallows on a stick and having all of that ready for his entire class. I get a lot of questions on marshmallows because a lot of people assume that they're made out of pork. We use the Pascas brand and it is made out of fish gelatin, and I'm going to show that to you right here. It says fish gelatin and the kosher symbol is right there where I'm going to be pointing it out. It says kosher par. So there you go. If you guys are looking for kosher marshmallows, that's the brand that we use. I set up some chocolate as well so that they could have it with like maybe graham crackers, and you'll see the boys had loads of fun with it. The table was all set with all of the snacks, and I also got all the gift bags and party favors set off to the side, ready to go.
Are you guys hungry for pizza? A few minutes of quiet, and then we're gonna try you.
I want to share a short story.
3 in a row wins. All right.
No.
This is the pinata?
Yeah!
I need everybody to line up from here to there. Line up.
The fastest ever line.
Right here. May, are you ready? 3. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Michelle. Happy birthday to you. Are you 1? Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Are you 5? Are you 6? Are you 7? Are you 8? Yay!
And just like that, the party was over and the cleanup was done. We had loads of fun.